Hey guys, Truck and Tractor Garage here, and today we're doing some small engine repair in the shop. Got a lot of machines in for repairs and servicing, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to show how to change out the carburetors on these Briggs and Stratton push mower engines. And they're also used in pressure washers too, but they've got the carburetor mounted to the top of the gas tank. Really common design back in the late 1990s and early 2000s. But these carburetors are made of plastic and they are really susceptible to ethanol eating the seals and seats out inside of them. So we're going to change this one out. You can see here we've got our new carburetor. The first thing you're going to want to start with doing is you're going to want to remove the air filter. Now go ahead and remove that. Just take this screw out on top. So once you've got your air filter off, you're going to want to remove the little breather tube that's on the side of the carburetor here and just pull back on it. If it's dry rotted, it may break, but it just comes off like that. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to want to remove the whole gas tank assembly, which is held on by this bolt right here and this bolt right here. So I believe this one is a 3/8 or a 10 millimeter. It's a 3/8, and this one is a 1/2. So I'm going to just use my impact really quick, and we will remove that one like that. And an extension here. Extension just helps get this one. Alright. Now as you can see, it's free from the engine. And you're just going to want to carefully remove your governor spring from its hole right there on this bracket. And then now the only thing that's holding is your governor linkage going to the carburetor, so you're just going to want to tip your whole assembly up and slide out. And now we've got the gas tank assembly off the mower. So now that we've got the gas tank assembly off the mower, we're going to want to remove the 4 or sometimes 5, this one is 5, screws that hold the carburetor to the gas tank. And there's 2, 3, 4, yep, this is a 5 screw. So just get a regular Phillips screwdriver and just remove all 5 of them. Alright, one thing I failed to mention, and this gas tank is getting cleaned and flushed out, so I didn't do it immediately, but I should have done it, is to blow all your dirt off around the carburetor and the gas tank before you remove it. So I did that, and now we can even more clearly see the 5 screws that hold the carburetor to the gas tank. And I've already loosened those screws, but now we will just remove them and lift the carburetor off the gas tank. Alright guys, well, we've got the old carburetor off, we've got the gas tank all cleaned out and flushed, and you notice here on this old carburetor 2 gaskets. There's a diaphragm on the top and there's a regular gasket at the bottom. And we need to, our kit here comes with new gaskets, so we're going to install those. So we're going to get this on. It's a little hard to do one-handed. It's not impossible. There we go. No, that's not right. Just like so. And your diaphragm will go on in the same way. There you go. Alright, and the next thing we're going to do, we're just going to simply reverse the removal process. One thing to note, make sure that you have your top gasket here on, and also that you put your governor spring back in the same hole on your new carburetor that it was on in the old one. Alright guys, well, if your kit comes with a new air filter, this is a good time to change it out. Just pull your top of the housing off, take the old one out, and set your new one in, just like that. And we'll put this back on the mower. We've already got the carburetor on, just reversed our removal. So now we're just put our air cleaner on and we'll be ready to start it up. Alright guys, got everything put back together. Let's try to fire this thing up. Prime it a few times. Man, that'd be a great idea to have cardboard under it. But fired right up. Alright guys, there you have it. How to replace the carburetor on a Briggs and Stratton lawnmower that has the carburetor mounted to the gas tank. Thanks for watching. See everybody later.